have a lot of caterpillars in my class. Caterpillars. Come on. I have a lot of caterpillars in my class. And one day they are going to make the cocoons. Cocoons. And they are going to stay there in the cocoon for a few days. Then I am going to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then one day the cocoons, they make pop, and the butterflies appear. Oh, a lot of butterflies. Butterflies dancing all around. Dancing all around. Butterflies, butterflies, now you are on the ground. You are on the ground. Ding! 1, 2, 3. Okay, very well. A lot of butterflies.